Okay, so here's the Amazon guy. Walking down the street. He ends up talking to the fire department and everything. Let's see. Let me pause it. Okay, now you can see he's got my package. He literally took a picture like right by that tree. But now he's just walking back down the street with my package. He marked it as delivered. You know, he took a picture of it in his hand, apparently. You know, the fire trucks have gone since he arrived. But yeah, I've got other cameras and I'll have to check the footage on them. They're more difficult to look at.